Juice Man HVACR.
Yeah, I have it.
Nustart compressor soft starter.
This is just a regular
There you go.
fiberglass.
And the benefits for this are reduces startup noise and vibration. It eliminates light flicker
That should have
at AC startup. Provides efficient startup with generator. Provides suite of compressor protection features. Reduces compressor and refrigerant piping stress. Prevents generator stalling and solar inverter shutdown. Available in single phase and 3-phase models. Nustart. The premier solution. Hey,
How are you?